Hi, I'm James.
Hi, I'm Sharon.
We are A&W Studios. Slushy. Trying to find these snowmobile tracks. So I don't get caught up. People out here today. I'm head where all the seagulls are. There's already a family fishing over there. There's people fishing closer too. Slushy. Oh. Not gonna lie, I'm a little weary. People have been driving their snowmobiles on this. Said they were catching all kinds of sheefish out here. Slushy. Heard somebody talking about how they're catching all kinds of sheefish out here. But he was like, oh, I'm not going out there. It's dangerous. It's like the ice is 6 feet thick. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to walk out here. And there's a bunch of people out here. Hopefully we'll get lucky today with a sheefish. That guy just caught one. Or he's cleaning it. Probably cleaning them. Seals. Hey, I'm good. I'm recording. You don't mind, do you?
No, I don't mind.
Is there an open hole I can fish out of over here?
Yeah, there's one right there.
There? Looks like you've been having a lot of good luck.
Yeah.
All right. What are they eating? Herring?
Yeah.
Herring and smelt?
Yep.
All right. Well, I'm gonna get out of there.
Okay.
All right. Thanks, man. Oh, you were?
Yeah.
All right. About 20 feet deep?
About 4.
About 4 feet?
Yeah.
That's not deep.
Yeah.
Purple?
Huh?
Been using purple?
It's a blue kind.
Blue?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try silver and pink.
Oh.
I might have blue. Heard a lot of people are catching.
Yeah. There's quite a few. They go home and go cut their fish.
Nice to see the ice is still thick.
Yeah, it is.
I thought it was going to be gone when I came back. Man, you got some nice ones. Yeah. Been like that every time? Yeah.
Some are bigger.
Even bigger? Yeah. That's good.
Yeah.
You guys eat the heads too?
Yeah.
Yeah. How you fix them?
I don't cook them and eat them. I don't eat them.
I don't mind fish heads, they're pretty good.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a big one. Holy cow. What's your name?
Derek?
Derek?
Yeah.
Good job, Derek.
Thank you.
I guess it was waiting for me to pull my line out. Man, that's nice. Whew. I think this is the biggest one I got.
Oh, wow.
I'll try this one.
Okay, Derek.
Oh, you got one? Woo! That must be the hole right there. Woo! Another big one.
Yeah, fourth guy.
All right. Good job. think I got the wrong fishing gear. Recommendations right there. Give her a shot. That's good.
I could did twice.
Oh, another one!
No, I missed it.
Oh, there it is. I think I'm in the wrong hole.
There we go.
Nice.
Oh, man.
I guess they're going for blue today.
Try this. Try this.
Huh?
Try this.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Try it.
All right.
I cooked them.
Oh, you cooked them too?
Yeah. Very good. And also on the for big.
You make soup out of these?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I took for the bird get it.
Oh, they took it?
Yay, go. Put that diving. Put it over there. Put it with it. There you go.
All right. Guess I got the wrong hook. He's got Tommy cod.
Ooh. Here. Here it goes.
Smacking.
What I told you, I want to hit you. There, go, yeah. Get there, yeah. There,
Let's go walk come out. There we go.
there, go, put there.
Nice.
Now, John, you had liquor.
Yeah. Ooh, another one. Oh, get away.
Still catching? What's that? How you doing, man?
All right. Man, that is a big one. There's huge. Hello everybody. Just came back from she fishing. Caught one, as you've seen on the video. Ran into some great people out there. I think they caught a total of, I don't know, 50. There was a bunch of people that came out. Met Derek and his grandma, great people. I've fished by them before. I got to use their hook. They were biting on purple and gold, big hooks. And they were just reeling them in. Everybody was bringing them in. I had a little hook about this big that looked like a fish. I had a bite on that one, but my line's so slippery I couldn't get it pulled in time. But all in all, it was a great time. One checked off my bucket list. Want to catch a sheefish and ice fishing, which I got to do. And the herring and smelt are running right now. They're spitting them out as they were bringing them in. There's a monster fish that a lady caught out there. I got video of that, so you might have seen it already. But yeah, all in all, it was a great time. Glad I went out, freezing to death. Definitely going to dress warmer tomorrow and get me some better hooks. Until then, this is James Webb with A&W Studios. I'm out.